things I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the day. It is Thursday, January 22. All right, we are having an outside day, by the way. Yes, I can't believe it. We are outside. Check out where we are at for now. Right over here. So we're going to be bullish above 690.25. If we could break above this R1 level, persons, pivots. Another really good level, almost use this one, 691.25. All right, you'd enter at 26 cents, put your stop at 99. And then you have this huge pocket. But I decided to enter you here to get you started. We did test it a couple times this morning. Here's one test, here's a second. So we'll see if we could break above there. Bear below 686. All right, I went into this pocket doing a retracement trade down to person's pivot. I went below the 8 EMA because the downward trade is tough. You know, if we have a lot of room, we could do a retrace down to the 4 or the 8 EMA. But once we're close to it like we are today, the black and pink line, we kind of have to go below that. Yeah, so that is why I chose those particular levels. All right, let's go to the IWM. Bullish above 270 would be the first test, so that could be a little bit tricky. Yeah, first time, there's going to be sellers lined up. Bear below 268.25. Let's go to the Qs. Bullish above 622. Bear below 617. Pretty similar to the SPY. E-minis, we're going to be bullish above 69.57 and 50 cents. I'd like us to make a new high there. And then bear below 69.25. Let's go to the NASDAQ. Futures, bullish above 25.725, bear below 25,500. Let's go to oil futures, bullish above $60.55 today, bear below 59.50 is, yeah, we're pretty much very close triggering there. 59.25 could be another level, by the way. Let's go to gold. Yeah, what's going on with gold? We did a retrace down to the 4 EMA, and now we're bouncing off of it. We came pretty close to 4,900. Are we going to go and tag that today? I don't know. Bullish above 48.50. I used that as my last target, though. R1 is right there. See here? So keep that in mind. Bear below 48.10. Let's go to Bitcoin futures. Yeah, what's going on over here? Look, they hammered twice on this trend line. See this trend line? Yeah, one hammer, two hammer, and we're sitting like quietly right there, right here this morning. So are they gonna, yeah, stay above that, or are we gonna pull down? Bear below 89,000, bullish above 91,000. All right, let's go to some individual stocks. Of course, we got silver on the list. Bullish above 85.50 today. Bear below 82.75. Intel has earnings, I believe, after the close today. So could have pre-earnings momentum. Bullish above 55.06. Bear below 52.50 for the retrace down to the 4 EMA. And then we got BABA up pretty big this morning. Is it going to be a gap and go higher? Bullish above 178. Or a pop and drop, bear below 176. So that already triggered, and we did hit a couple targets. 174.50 is the next bear below level. Okay. SMR looks interesting today. Bullish above $20.50. Bear below 19.25. SMCI. Yeah, looked like the best this morning. I posted that in both rooms. Bullish above 33. That already triggered, and we did hit a target. So the next level, 33.50. We have this huge, we have had massive prints, by the way, but we have this huge pocket up to the 65 EMA, which you know, I didn't write that in there, but we could just put that here, 65 EMA. That would be your last target if we do get up there. Bear below 31.75, and you can see I did put the dark pool prints, oops, right here for you. Let's go to CRWV. Yeah, one of our recommendations from the insights. Bullish above 98 today, bear below 95.50. Next, we've got Google. Bullish above 335, bear below 331.75. Thank you, Patty B, for calling these out. TSM, another Patty B special. Bullish above 332.50. Bear below 327.50, and there you have it. Those are your whispers for Thursday, January 22nd. Join us today. Yeah, we're doing our third webinar on options trading after the bell. Hope to see you there. Go to thedarkpools.com to register. Happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.